Guys, you are not gonna believe what has just arrived. It's the Nintendo Switch 2, man. Let's get to unboxing it. Hey everyone, it's Austin. As of recording, it's the 28th of December, and yesterday I got my hands on a Nintendo Switch 2. So now I finally have the opportunity to make an unboxing video. This is a video that I've wanted to do for nearly a year now, ever since the Nintendo Switch 2 got announced back in January. And now that I've got my hands on the Switch 2, I finally have the opportunity to do so. Enjoy. Alright guys, so welcome to the unboxing of the Nintendo Switch 2. Without further ado, let's get into this. Alright, where do you open this? Oh, it's at the back, okay. Alright. Alright, see what we got. Ooh. Joy-Cons, the left one and the right one, and then the actual Switch 2 itself. Let's see what we got underneath. Oh, looks like there's something in here as well. Oh, I see, it's instruction manual. HDMI cable, and I'm assuming these are the wrist straps for the Joy-Cons. Let's see what we got here. Switch to Joy-Con grip. Very nice. I imagine this is the power adapter. USB-C this time, like it was previously, so very nice. And what's in this final slot here? I think it's a dock. Yep, that's the dock. What's at the back? USB-C, HDMI and Ethernet cable. I mean port. Very nice. So, I'll set this up. I'll let you guys know when it's set up. So guys, after setting up everything and transferring all of the game data from my Switch 1 onto the Switch 2, it's all set up and it's ready to go. And also on top of that, the original Nintendo Switch Pro controller works with the Switch 2 as well as all of these controllers down here. So multiplayer is going to be very easy to do. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please consider subscribing and see ya.